Size does matter in jump rope. It's actually really important that you pick a rope of the right length. And so in this video, Shana Brady and Tim Haft from Punk Rope are going to explain how to do exactly that. So here's Shana, and she's got a few ropes with her. The one that she's holding up at the moment is actually a little bit too long. So there's various methods for determining the right size. One of the simplest is to step on the middle of the rope with one foot and then pull the handles up towards your shoulder. Now, everyone is different, so we're going to stress that. And there are a lot of factors that go into picking a rope of the right length. They include the skill level of the jumper, the objective of that jumping session. Are they doing tricks? Are they doing double unders, etc.? The height of the person, obviously, how they carry their hands, a whole bunch of different factors. But typically, for a beginner, when you use that method of standing on the rope with one foot, you're looking for the top of the handle to come just below the shoulder. Now, Shana is a very skilled jumper, so that orange rope and certainly the green rope that she showed you before would both be too long. The other green rope that she's got now with the zebra tape is her go-to rope, and it is just right. And you'll see it's coming up pretty much mid-chest, below the armpit, and so for her that works fine. For you at home, it may not. It may be well too short. And the truth is that at least when you're starting out, you want a little margin for error. So if you have a few extra inches, that's a good thing. Now, this is one of the reasons that we like adjustable ropes, because if you buy a fixed length rope and it's too short, you're out of luck or you have to send it back. And then typically as you get better, more proficient, you're going to want a rope of a shorter length. And so an adjustable rope allows you to trim an inch or two. The other option is to tie a knot, right? So let's say that orange rope is what Shana's stuck with. She can tie a knot under one handle and then give it a go and see, and there it is. That's pretty much the length of her go-to rope. All right, so now as she's jumping, we're looking at a couple of things. One thing that's really critical is assuming good posture, assuming the hands are in the right position, where does the rope strike the ground? So I'm just tilting a little bit.
Is the orange brighter?
No, they're both fine, actually. But assuming good hand position, and Shana looks great right now. That rope's hitting just a few inches in front of her toes. But if the rope was too long and she had good posture, what you would see is the rope slapping way in front. So actually, if Shana turns to the side, it's going to be a little bit easier to see. Yeah, this is much better. We know this rope is too long, and you can see it is hitting, whoa, like 2 feet, 1.5 feet out in front of her. So we know that's way too long. If the rope was too short, and assuming she had good posture and good hand position, it would probably not hit the ground at all, or it would catch her toes. So that's also an easy one to see. Okay, there you go. Boom. But again, so many factors to consider. So we don't like to say, well, you should get a 9-foot rope or a 10-foot rope. However, it does help when the manufacturer says that their small rope or their medium rope is for a person of X height, right? 5'7" to 5'10" or 5'3" to 5'6". That's a good starting point. And then from there, you can customize so it's perfect for you. And the truth is, as you get more advanced, 1 inch, 2 inches can actually make a big difference. So again, just to sum up, the stepping on the middle of the rope with one foot is a great approximation, right? Very simple method of determining whether the rope is the right length. Thinking about the purpose of the session, the height of the jumper, their skill level, and where they carry their hands. Those are all things to consider. And guys, if you can, get an adjustable rope, right? Makes a lot of sense, save you some money and some frustration. So, thank you for joining us. And if you like what you saw, you can subscribe to our channel on YouTube and check out our website at punkrope.com. We'll see you next time.